Hello everybody, we're here at 1000 Islands Toyota, and today we're going to be looking at the 2021 Toyota RAV4 XLE all-wheel drive. This vehicle comes with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 203 horsepower and 184 foot-pounds of torque. Also comes with a set of 17-inch alloy wheels and an array of safety features. Here on the passenger side we have, as you can see, premium fabric seats, both heated in the front. Driver's side is 8-way power adjustable, and then we have manual adjustable seat for the passenger side with a really nice blend of material for the cabin. In the back we have a power liftgate on the XLE model with a large amount of space here in the back for whatever you guys need. We've also got the tonneau cover, so if you want to keep some things more private, you can do that as well. And you have a 60-40 split, so as you can see there's the little latches there you can lift up, fold the seats down to give yourself even more space if you need it. All right, and here we are on the driver's side. So as you can see, we have our multi-information display there in the center. This can be accessed using the directional pad or the back button. So we can just hit left or right. So that's some of our Toyota safety sense settings. We've got our all-wheel drive system. We've also got the trip distance. We've got our the full array of our Toyota safety sense settings, which can be either altered for sensitivity settings or can just be plain shut off. We have our safety alerts, and then we've got our digital readout, we've got our total average, and we have our eco indicator. So down below here we've got the auto headlights, we've got the wiper de-icers, and we've also got the heated steering wheel, which is currently on, and then on the far right we have our power liftgate. So we have our voice recognition system on the steering wheel along with our volume settings, and then here we have our dynamic radar cruise control, and then underneath that we've got the lane tracing assist, and then on this side we've got the cruise control settings. And then we have our 7-inch Infotainment Touchscreen. Works really well, is very reactive to any sense of touch, which is really nice. Then we've also got the physical buttons and the physical tuning knobs on the sides as well. This does also come with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is really nice to have. And then we have our climate control system. Once again, very easy to use, very easy to read. And we do have the rubber grips on here, which makes for a really nice smooth transition on the readout here. Nice and easy. It's perfect. And below that we've got our traction control. We've also got the heated seats there. We've got a USB and a power adapter. Then we have some of our different drive modes, which is really nice to have, especially in Canadian winters. We've got our cup holders, and then we have our center console that also has 2 USBs in it as well. So there you have it, folks. There's the 2021 RAV4 XLE all-wheel drive. This is a fantastic vehicle inside and out, with great fuel mileage, incredible safety features, and a premium look and feel. There is no doubt that this is Canada's #1 selling vehicle. So come on down to 1000 Islands Toyota and let us help you find the vehicle you're looking for.